So now we need to compare and contrast some of these formulas. These are formulas you've been using for a while, but maybe you haven't looked at them recently. So we've got volume of a cylinder. Volume is pi r squared h. Well, that pi r squared is the circumference. So it's the circular base times the height. It's just base times height. And the volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r squared. So that's 1/3 of the area times the height. You saw that in the video that it takes 3 cones in order to fill the cylinder of the same size, as long as it's got the same base. So we've got pi r squared, and we've got pi r squared, we've got h, and we've got h. But for a cone, the different thing is that 1/3. And then we've got volume of a cylinder. So a cylinder has 4/3 instead of 1/3, but then still that pi r squared. That pi r squared is the circle that's like the middle. If you could imagine a styrofoam basketball and we slice it through the center, that circle is that slice when you cut it in half. So we've got pi r squared and h, pi r squared and h, but with a 1/3, and then we've got 4/3 and pi r squared. What I want you to do is in these blue boxes, the light blue boxes, after the question marks, I want you to write 1 or 2 things that are the same in all 3 formulas. And then 1 or 2 things that are only in 2 of them, and then something that is unique to only one thing. Once you're done with that, you can unpause the video and then move these boxes and see what is different. So pause your video, type in your words again in this first box, what's in all 3 formulas, which is the same in all 3. In the second box, behind that question mark, you're going to type in what's only true in 2 of them. And then in the last thing, what's different, what's unique about each of them. Okay, pause the video and then come back and check. Welcome back. I'm going to take all these boxes and move them all at one time. They're all looking for volume. They all have pi. They all have the radius, and that radius is squared. What they have is pi r squared, which is the area of a circle. Then what's different about them, or what's the same in 2 of them? 2 of them have an h, but the sphere does not have an h. 2 of them have a fraction coefficient, that 1/3 and 4/3, but the coefficients are different. And then 2 of them have pi r squared. Actually, all 3 of them have pi r squared. That one should probably go. Oh, you are right. I forgot. That one's only squared. Oh, no. Yep. In this one, it should be cubed because we don't have the h, right? So this is pi r squared h, pi r squared h, and then pi r cubed. So it is different. And then which characteristics are only in one of them? The central circle in for the circle, that area is pi r cubed.